friends, welcome back to my diary, and for today's video, this is my first week of online classes and kakatapos ko lang ng CPAR namin, Contemporary Arts, and ayun, orientation lang, introduce yourself, and konting recitation. It's 9 a.m. right now. Kakatapos lang. And, syempre, inayos ko yung to-do list ko and, naka-notion na ako. Meron na kami agad reading for tomorrow, chapter 1. Ano pa ba? And then, nag-notes na din ako for chapter 1. Advance yan. So, yan. By the way, bago na yung setup ko, nakaharap kami sa doon. Tapos, para background namin itong white wall. Actually, dirty white wall. Ayan. Sis! Ganun ka! Look! Tignan mo yung cat ears niya! And this is my setup. Is my setup, and naka-charge yung phone ko, scratch, then post-it notes, water bottle, and then notebook, pens. Ayan, naka-open yung Notion ko, and then look nya, meron akong hi, it's after lunch and vacant ako ng 3 hours. 3 p.m. yung next class ko and last class na yun. So I'm going to take down notes na. And kanina, baka simulan ko na yung reading sa CPAR. Kasi wala pa naman akong gagawin. So ayun, productive yan.
See my life for the first time in some time, without judgment or expectations or budgets. I know that I'm susceptible to the show, 'cause I'm so close to the glitz and the glow. Yeah, it's hard not to chase the zeros when they're dangled in front of your nose. That's just the way that it goes in the games we play. It's all about the X's and O's. But down here by the water, none of that matters. All of those worries, they float away. It's gonna take me walking away for good. I know I'm capable of making a change, and maybe it's time that I should. Can't help but feel like I'm slowing down. I might miss my chance if I don't act now. By the water, none of that matters. All of those worries, they float away. Life is getting harder. nothing else matters. No.
So, since tapos na ako sa asynchronous ko, magna-Notion tour tayo. Okay, so this is my homepage. Ayan, Harry Potter theme siya. So, ito yung pinaka-homepage na. So, merong Hogwarts Castle, and then merong Welcome Witch, arte lang. And then, meron akong quote, and then pictures, and ginaya ko yung template ni Johnny's Studies. Yan, meron ako. Dito, pictures, ganito lang siya gawin. Diba? Kunwari ito, magta-type ka dyan, and then, yung slash, and then, pwede mo type image, tapos ayun, mag-image ikaw, and then, upload mo yung image na gusto mo. Then, meron akong widgets dito, yung weather, and then, progress bar, and then, in-embed ko din dito yung Google Calendar ko. And then, meron din akong Spotify playlist. Gagawa ko lang. Ginawa ko lang yung Spotify playlist na to para malagay ko siya sa Notion. And then, dito sa pages to, ginawa ko siyang house theme. So, sa Life's Bucket List, meron akong Gryffindor dito, meron akong Heather, Head Girl, and then ginawa kong si Hermione yung icon. Then, naglagay din ako ng pictures din. Pang design. And then, dito naman sa school, si Luna Lovegood. And then, yung header ko ay Astronomy Tower. And then, ayan, meron ding quote. Then, goals, pictures. Then, ito yung sa grade 12 ko right now. So, kapag kinlik mo yan, wala pa pala akong cover dito. Pwede mo din siyang i-change eh. So, ito yung courses ko for the first term. Ginawa ko siyang, yung cover niya, ginawa ko siyang, subjects ng Hogwarts. So, ganito ginawa ko, diba, new. Tapos, dito ako dito yung subject. Tapos, nilagay ko dito yung image na gusto ko. So, ayan, upload. Choose an image. For example, itong Astronomy Towers. Ayan siya, di ba? Mag-load siya. Tapos, kapag in-exit mo, ayan na. Meron na siyang cover. Then, dito naman sa YouTube, ginawa ko siyang Hufflepuff. Then, header ko si Badger. Then, icon si Edward. Ay, sa Twilight pala yun. Si Cedric Diggory. Ayan, tapos, yung quote ko dito yung traits ng Hufflepuff. Tapos, ito lang yung mga vlog ideas ko. May pictures din. And then, dito sa task list, ito yung to-do list ko. Si Draco. Ayan. To-do list ko ngayon for this week. Dito din yung Slytherin traits. And then, class schedule ko. And then, pictures ulit. Then, so, ayan, tapos na tayo sa Hogwarts page. Dito tayo sa Hogsmeade. Dito yung, parang to review for CETs kung mayroon man. Pero, ayan, I'm reviewing kasi nag-review ako ng konti nung summer. So, ayan. And then, sa Diagon Alley, meron akong list of books na gusto kong bilhin. At saka yung meron na ako. Ayan. Yung iba nakikita ko lang sa TikTok, ganun. Tapos popular. And And then, sa Gringotts, ito yung mga expenses ko. Ayan, for the year. Ayan! Yun lang.
All of the pressure in the